In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table of contents board in Monday.com. This setup will help you and your team stay organized by creating a central hub that's easy to navigate. We'll be walking through crafting a board from scratch, setting up an intuitive structure, and making it visually appealing for your team. First, from your workspace, we'll start by creating a new board. You'll simply click plus add and then new board. Be sure to name it something clear and descriptive, such as table of contents, company hub, or project directory. These names suggest its purpose and make it easy for everyone to recognize. Once you've named it, select from scratch and make it a main board. This ensures that it's accessible to all members of your team without any restrictions. Now let's dive into setting up the structure of your board. Here, each item on your board will act as a link or a section, directing you to a different part of your workspace. To maintain clarity and organization, you can create different groups to categorize these items. Consider sections like Company Overview, Projects and Campaigns, Departments, Dashboards and Reports, and Tools and Templates. Under each group, add specific items such as Marketing Dashboard or Finance Tracker that will help your team easily navigate to the resources they need. Next, enhancing navigation is key, and for this, we'll add some essential columns. Start by creating a name column where you can list all your items, such as Marketing Dashboard. Then include a link column providing direct access to the board or document you need to visit. Adding a people column can be beneficial to assign responsibility, such as indicating the board owner or department head. Consider a status column too, which you can use to show if an item is active, in progress, or archived. A text column is excellent for short descriptions, offering a quick summary of the item's purpose, and the date column helps you track when it was last updated for freshness. Pro tip: to easily grab a link, right-click any item on another board and select Copy Link to Item, then paste it into your link column. To make your board stand out and help users navigate with ease, incorporating icons or emojis into item names is a great strategy. Use emojis like a chart icon for Sales Dashboard or a chat bubble for Team Chat Hub. Additionally, color coding your groups or status columns can further enhance clarity and usability. Finally, sharing your board with your team is essential. Click Share and invite team members, or make the board public within your organization so everyone can access it effortlessly. For added convenience, pinning it to your sidebar can turn this board into your Monday.com homepage and a central spot for quick access. Encourage your team to bookmark this board, providing an at-a-glance overview of everything your organization is working on. And there you have it. You've successfully created a table of contents board in Monday.com. This setup will not only keep everyone informed, but also streamline your workflow by making it easy to access all vital information in one central location.